Hello everyone, today I show you a large motion center GMC 2014. Let's go. The table size is 1,200 and 2,100. XYZ travel are 2,000 and 1,500 and 800. The spindle is BT 50 and the maximum speed is 6,000. At the same time, it is equipped with a Fanuc control system. If you like this machine, please contact me.